Guys, what is up? Namana, we are back again with yet another video, and as you might have seen in the title and thumbnail, today we are going to take a look at a website called Hivirality, where you can earn lots and lots of money by just sharing your links in Facebook. So what's more interesting than that? Stay tuned till the end of this video for getting all the information about this website. So before that, if you end up liking this video, do consider smashing the like button, subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of our channel. Now let's see what's Hivirality. So before starting out with the procedure, I just want to talk about a few words about Hivirality. So Hivirality is a content aggregation website. So what Hivirality basically does is that they collaborate with a lot of website owners and blog content creators, and they take their content and have it in Hivirality. And people like us have to create an account in that and share those content of those website creators in Facebook. And depending upon the clicks we get on the content which we have posted, we will get money. And Hivirality is a platform where it does not have any threshold to withdraw the minimum balance or something like that. You can, if you have earned 10 rupees, you can also withdraw the 10 rupees by the end of the week or by Monday. So for example, if you're creating an account today and if it gets approved today, and by next Monday you can actually withdraw the money for how much hour you have earned. And Hivirality is also one of the first platforms to reveal their RPM of the content. So what does RPM mean? RPM means the number of money that you get depending upon the clicks, the count of the clicks. So here, for example, they are ready to give for 1,000 clicks, you will get around $1.4 if the viewers are Indians, and if the viewers are people from other countries like UK, you will get up to $5. So that's really insane. So to get started, you have to create an account. So just go to this website called www.hivirality.com, and after you go there will be an option called sign up. So you have to click that. So after clicking the sign up button, you have to sign up using the credentials like your name, your email ID, your password, and the link of the Facebook pages in where you are going to share the content of the content which they are going to give. And if you don't want to share, create a new account using new credentials, you can also log in using your Facebook account, your existing Facebook account. So this is the procedure of actually creating an account. And after creating an account, it will take up to 24 hours for your account to get approved. There'll be a manual approval process going on, so it will take around 24 hours. And after your account is approved, now you have to log into your account. So, and after logging into your account, there'll be a lot of options like dashboard, campaigns, my links, domain, and account settings. So in order to start earning from this, yes, you can actually start earning from after your account has been approved. And there is no such criteria like YouTube or Facebook that you have to get this much or you have to get that much to actually start earning. You can start earning as soon as your account has been created. So to start earning, you have to click the option called My Campaigns. So after clicking the option, there'll be a lot of pop-up menus which are there, and in that there'll be the websites from where you can get the content and share it in your own Facebook page or your own social media. Now for example, there are actually two websites called as Bounce Feed and Gang Slangs, and there are up to support for two languages. One is Hindi and English. So Gang Slang also supports Hindi and English, as well as Bounce Feed also supports Hindi and English. So you have to select any one of these. After choosing the website, next you have to choose the genre of the content which you need to get. So there are a lot of genres in this, like Bollywood, education, sports, etc. So for now I have chosen gadgets, and after choosing gadgets, I've got 3 articles here. And for now I'm going to click this article of the Galaxy X device by Samsung. Now I'm going to click that and get the link. Now the website will automatically generate a link. Using that, you have to upload the link to your own Facebook page. So for now I'm going to take this particular link which they have generated and going on to my Facebook and going to share this particular link. So I'm just copying the link and after copying the link, I'm pasting it to my Facebook page and sharing. Now this is the simple process. You can just start earning by doing this process. Now the content which you are sharing is 100% authenticated and approved by certain brands, and there are no underrated content, or there are no any vulgarity in the content, because I've personally checked all the websites from where they are sourcing these content, and I can give you a green signal for the website content quality, as well as the inside content, whether it's vulgar or not. So I say that Hivirality does a really great job for promoting even websites, as well as making people earn by just sharing the links. So if you have any other queries, you can access the WhatsApp number which is in the description below. The name of the person is Pranav, and he is from Hivirality. So if you have any queries regarding this particular website, then you can contact him through the WhatsApp number given below. I hope that you will start earning lots of money by just sharing a link through Hivirality. Now if you're not liking this, do consider smashing the like button, subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our channel. So until the next one, this is Arnav signing off. Peace.